Installing a drum bung may seem daunting, but with the right tools and a clear process, it becomes straightforward. This guide will walk you through the essential steps for a successful drum bung installation in a closed-head 55-gallon drum using EvenMix products. By following these instructions, you can ensure a proper setup for your mixing needs. Before starting the installation, gather all necessary tools and materials. Here's what you'll need. EvenMix Air Drive or electric drive. Choose the type of drive that suits your mixing requirements. Mixing shaft and blade. These components are essential for the mixing process. Drum Bung Clamp. This will secure the mixing assembly to the drum. Vice grip wrench, used to hold the mixing shaft in place during installation. Allen wrench, necessary for securing components. Through bolt. This connects the drive to the mixing shaft. Now that you have everything ready, let's begin the installation process. Follow these steps to make the installation easier and more efficient. Begin by placing the mixing shaft and blade into the 55-gallon drum. Compress the mixing blades to fit them through the 2-inch bung opening. They are designed to spring back into shape inside the drum, so no need to worry about bending them. While feeding the shaft through the bung, hold it securely with one hand to prevent it from dropping into the drum. Next, thread the drum bung clamp over the mixing shaft. Feed it through the drum bung clamp reducer and attach it firmly to the closed head drum for stability during mixing. Using the vice grip wrench, clamp the mixing shaft. This will keep it in place while you connect the air or electric drive. Ensure the vice grip wrench is tight enough to hold the shaft securely. Now it's time to orient the air or electric drive. Align the through bolt on the mixing shaft with the drive's output. Carefully thread the drive onto the mixing shaft, ensuring a tight fit. Once aligned, use the Allen wrench to fully tighten the through bolt and secure it to the drive output. This step is vital for the drive to function properly. With the through bolt secure, you can now remove the vice grips and screw the drive into the drum bung clamp. Make sure it is firmly attached to the closed head drum. After completing all the steps, your installation is now finished. You can install the air or electric drive and start mixing. Ensure everything is secure before powering on the mixer. EvenMix products are designed with efficiency and performance in mind. Here are some benefits of using EvenMix for your mixing needs. Superior mixing performance. EvenMix mixers are engineered to provide a consistent blend of materials for quality results. Versatility. They can be used for various applications from liquids to slurries and powders. Ease of use. The installation process is straightforward, making it accessible for all skill levels. Durability. Constructed with high-quality materials, EvenMix products are built to last. What is a drum bung? A drum bung is an opening in a drum that allows mixing equipment to be inserted. It is typically a standard 2-inch NPT opening. Can I use the EvenMix mixer in an open drum? Yes, EvenMix has mixers that can be mounted on the lid of an open drum for easy access and mixing. What types of materials can I mix with EvenMix products? You can mix various materials, including liquids, slurries, and viscous substances like paints and resins. How do I maintain my EvenMix mixer? Regular cleaning and inspection of the mixing components are recommended. Follow the manufacturer's guidelines for maintenance. Where can I purchase EvenMix products? You can buy EvenMix products directly from their website, including the EvenMix drum mixer and drum bung clamp mount. Proper drum bung installation is essential for effective mixing in a closed-head 55-gallon drum. By following these steps and using EvenMix products, you can achieve optimal mixing results with ease and confidence. For further assistance or product inquiries, feel free to contact EvenMix. For more information, visit tips.evenmix.com. https://youtube.com/watch V92Q1HC5KUK https evenmix.com product EvenMix drum mixer electric geared drive https evenmix.com product EvenMix drum bung clamp